In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Airtable forms on your website. By the end, you'll have a live form on your site that sends responses straight into your Airtable base, with no extra tools required. First, head to airtable.com and sign in. Once you're in, open the base that already has the form you want to share. Make sure you're viewing the form view for that table, since that's what we'll be embedding. This ensures the form fields and design match exactly what you've configured in Airtable. Next, look for the Share Form option in the Forms toolbar. This is where Airtable provides everything you need to publish your form externally. In the Share dialog, choose Embed if you see it. The Embed option gives you a small snippet of code, usually an iframe, that's designed to drop directly into a web page. If you don't see Embed, or your builder doesn't allow custom code, you can still use the simple share link as a fallback. Go ahead and copy either the embed code or the form link provided. The embed code is best for placing the form directly on a page, so visitors never have to leave your site. The share link opens the form in its own page hosted by Airtable, which is a quick alternative if your website platform limits custom HTML. Now open your website editor or the HTML file for the page where you want the form to appear. In most site builders, you'll add a custom HTML block or code section. Paste the Airtable embed code right there. If you're pasting HTML, look for the iframe tag. You can usually set the width to 100% so it adapts to your layout, and adjust the height so the whole form is visible without a huge scroll bar. If your platform strips code, switch to the share link and place it as a regular button or text link. Save and publish your website to push the changes live. Give your page a quick refresh to make sure the embed has loaded. Finally, test the embedded form thoroughly to confirm everything works as expected. Load the page in a private window or on a phone, click through the fields, and submit a test entry. Then check your Airtable base to verify that the record arrived with the correct values. Make sure the form behaves well on mobile, and that any required fields and confirmation messages display properly. That's it. You've embedded your Airtable form on your website, giving visitors a seamless way to submit responses that flow directly into your workflow.